pat the bunny. Come over here. There we go. Okay. Here are Paul and Judy. They can do lots of things. You can do lots of things too. Judy can pat the bunny. Now you pat the bunny. Yeah. Judy can play peekaboo with Paul. Now you play peekaboo with Paul. There he is. Peekaboo. Paul can smell the flowers. Now you smell the flowers. Yeah. Judy can look in the mirror. Now you look in the mirror. Yeah. Judy can feel Daddy's scratchy face. Now you feel Daddy's scratchy face. You gonna feel Daddy's scratchy face? You don't kiss it. You can kiss it if you want. Feel it with your fingers. Yeah. Yeah. Judy can read her book. Now you read Judy's book. La 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 la. Hey, Paul can put his finger through Mommy's ring. Now you put your finger through Mommy's ring. Yeah, look at you. That's all. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye? Yes. Paul and Judy are waving bye-bye to you. Bye-bye. Yeah, you're so smart. Yeah.
Listen, I would never say that, but it's nice to hear.
Bye-bye. There you go. You want to do it again? What's wrong? You okay?